Welcome to our lesson on logarithms. Let's explore a past question from the WAEC exam in 2023. Here's the question. If log base b of x minus 2 equals log base b of y minus 3. We need to find y in terms of x and b. Let's start with the equation we have. The equation is log base b of x minus 2 equals log base b of y minus 3. Next, we'll move the logarithmic terms to one side. Now we have log base b of x minus 2 minus log base b of y equals negative 3. We'll apply the quotient law of logarithms. The quotient law states that the difference of two logs equals the log of their quotient. Using the quotient law, we can rewrite our equation as log base b of the fraction x minus 2 over y equals negative 3. Now, let's look at the definition of a logarithm. The definition tells us that if log base of m equals n, then a raised to the power of n equals m. It's time to remove the logarithm from our equation. This gives us b raised to the power of negative 3 equals the fraction x minus 2 over y. If you find this explanation helpful, please subscribe for more math solutions. Next, we will rewrite the negative power. We can express b raised to the power of negative 3 as 1 over b cubed. Now, let's take the reciprocals. This gives us 1 over b cubed equals the fraction x minus 2 over y. Rearranging this, we find b cubed equals y over x minus 2. Now, let's make y the subject of the equation. We have b cubed equals y over x minus 2. Thus, we can express y as b cubed times the quantity x minus 2. So, y equals b cubed times x minus 2. Now, let's perform a quick check. We substitute y into the equation and find log base b of y equals log base b of b cubed times x minus 2. This simplifies to log base b of y equals 3 plus log base b of x minus 2. Now we see that log base b of y minus 3 equals log base b of x minus 2. Remember to subscribe for more math content.